So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find short-term rentals here on apartment.com. So once you're on apartments.com, I just want you to go to the location area and search up your location. So I'll just use Toronto for this demonstration. Once you have your area selected, I want you to go to the top to where it says specialty housing right here and then press on the drop down. Then under the additional specialties options, there's two different options where it says short term right here. Go ahead and press on short term. And if you want to refine your search even more, so for example, if you're looking for a place that's between 1 and 2 months, you can go ahead and press on that. 3 to 4 months, you can do that. 5 to 6 months, whatever the case may be. And you can kind of see your location and your options based on the ones that you selected. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to. There's actually no results right here, so I'll just go back to where it says short term. I'll go to 3 or 4 months where there is some results right here. But yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how to find short-term rentals for listing or for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.